Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is PJ. As you know, we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash. We drop daily different updates on this our smart indicator. So guys, this indicator is what you can get. Is something that can really work for you and make you achieve your great interest. It will also improve your learning in trading with this particular indicator, because this has really what has been helping a lot of people. So you can also get it. So what you just need to do is to reach out to me, and I'm going to get access to you exactly the way I have it here, so I can help you to what with a training video you can understand this particular strategy. So I have a trade that is currently running on a big profit. Now we're having $62 that is running per profit, and as you can see now, this is boom 500 on 30-minute time frames, and I open it with 0.5 loss size. You can see that, and this is what we are seeing now currently. So let me explain why I take this particular trade, the reason why I take this particular trade. So now the first thing I have to do is that I have to first go to my 30-minute time frames to look for the trend of the market. So on my 30-minute time frames, once I see my trend leader, this is my trend leader that turned from green to red orange and indicates a trend for me. You can see a downtrend from this particular zone to this zone. So currently now we are having a downtrend. That is why I mark this particular arrow as a downtrend now. So now after confirming my downtrend, I need to understand that any trade I want to take must be above the 80 level or below the 20 level. So what I will now do is that I'm going to go to 5 minutes time frames and look for a confirmation trend above the 80 level or below the 20 level. That is what I'm looking for. So let's check it out so that maybe we can see this is one. You can see our trend here that move from green to orange 9 here. It trade above the 80 level. It trade above the 80 level, and currently now we are having it here around this particular area. So we have it that indicates to our arrow here that we are having a downtrend. Our arrow indicates to us that we are having a downtrend at this particular area. But before this particular arrow might appear, our trade might have got to this particular zone. You see, it might have confirmed to us that our line is turning to orange at this particular area. So once we have it at that particular zone, we mark it. Once we mark it, we mark that particular area that we have our trend. Now we will now go to we now go to 30-minute time frames back and check where exact is that line. Where exact is where we mark on 5-minute time frames, where exactly it is. Now we can see that we can confirm that it appear on the last green candle. It appear on the last green candle, as we can see here. It appears on the last green candle, and this is the last green candle. It appears on the last green candle, and what we are going to be checking next is that we are going to be checking next for our exhausting candle. If we look it very well, we will see that our exhausting candle appear and it end at this particular zone, because it break it over at this particular zone. So now you can see that we have an indicator here that indicates to us that we have a downtrend, and our 9 year turn from green to red, which indicate that we are having a downtrend, which also indicate that we're having a downtrend. So that is exactly the 9 that I'm going to be following, and that's exactly what I follow in the video. And you can see I enter my trade around this particular area since I confirm everything accurate. So I keep on the downtrend, follow the trend of the 9 of the indicator. So once immediately this particular 9 turns to green, then I'm out of the market. That it will be your stop profit. That will be your take profit. And immediately it turns to green, I might decide to take it, like what we have here. You can see is a massive uptrend. I can decide to take it, but currently now we are having only a downtrend. So if this particular trade move from this particular area to this particular zone, and this trend change to green line, begin to trend up. So before changing to green now, I will have seen that this particular trend has already changed to green. Then I will have end my trade at that particular time and follow the trend on a uptrend. So that's exactly how this particular strategy works. So guys, you can also get this particular indicator, and this is what is going to help you a lot, because you can use it to trade on your currency pair. You can use it to trade on your step index, and this has been helping a lot of profits. I have a Telegram group that you can join, and also you can also reach me I have a lot of proof that I can provide for you guys, because a lot of people have been using this indicator to make a lot of profit. As currently now, what we can see now, we can see, so let me show you. We can see that first thing that you need to do is to find the trend of the market by using this particular trend to watch it. And once you confirm the trend of the market, then look for an entry above the 80 level. And once your entry turn from this green to orange line, then you can easily go and mark that particular spot and check it on 30-minute time frames. Check the confirmation. If it is the last green candle, then you are going to go for it. Then wait for this particular exhaustive candle to break it over, and you have your signal here, and you begin to trade your downtrend. You can see what happened here. So this particular indicator indicates to us that our exhaustive candle is what is complete, and it is safe for us to enter the market. And that's why we are having a trend of red at this particular area, and that is exactly what we are taking down the market. So immediately this particular line turned to it turned to green, like what it did here. You can see the move turned to green from the particular area. You can see immediately turn to green, then we are out of the market. That's exactly very simple logic that you can also follow and make a lot of profit. As you can see now, my profit have already turned to what, $59 here, because of the pullback, little pullback that you see here. So guys, this is the best indicator you can help yourself with. And thanks guys, see you guys in the next video. Thanks.